Okay, for this specific video to see if this Anker PowerHouse II 800 can power a garage door opener motor. There's a plug right there. No way! Hey party people, Santiago from SOS Garage Door Service, and so this is definitely going to be a very different type of video. It is an unboxing for sure, but what I wanted to unbox was something that, quite frankly, I think garage door contractors, actually any contractor, pretty much anyone could benefit from, and that is portable power, or power that can be administered through like a battery system. In this case, we're going to be unboxing and sometime in the future here reviewing the Anker PowerHouse II 800. So why am I going to be reviewing a product that has nothing to do with garage doors or garage door opener motors? Well, in all honesty, I believe this type of product works perfectly within a garage system. That is, if you have a garage that has limited power, and especially now that garage door openers, especially here in California, are required to be battery backup, a battery source or a power source when you're in an emergency might just be the trick to get you out of a bind. And quite frankly, as natural disasters become more and more prevalent, portable power source might just come in handy for any family, or perhaps maybe groups of families who need to top off on their electrical devices, or at any event just get necessary power to survive in certain circumstances. So again, this is just an unboxing. Now, you may not need portable power in the area or the neck of the woods that you live, but I tend to find that having a portable power source comes in handy in a lot of ways. And for contractors, we might find ourselves sometimes, especially within a project or home or a garage that has no power at all, this type of solution could come real in handy when having to work within a confined space, of course, to have proper lighting, and at the same time, even test and power a garage door opener motor. So let's get into it. Alright party people, I'm so sorry that it's dark inside here. I'm trying to do a different setup here in my studio, recording these videos. I don't have a wide angle camera to be able to get a better angle of this unboxing, but I'm going to give you the gist of it, okay? So just, work with me here and just know you and I are experiencing this together. Anker is on the stickers here. So there we go. Box is open. I don't know if you can see that. Boom. Piece of cardboard. Vital. For what? I have no idea. We'll just get rid of that there. Oh, wow. This is cool. Look what it says there. Anker PowerHouse II 800. Man, this is a beefy piece of equipment. Oh! Heavy, too. Wow. So, man, I wish I had a wide angle. But there it is right there. Portable, battery-powered. Let's see what this entails or brings for us. The inbox adapter says it'll give 71 hours. The USB-C, which you have two of them, will power up to 7.9 hours. It even has a 120-watt solar panel adapter. That's pretty amazing. And we have two wall outlets that share up to 500 watts in power. That is impressive. That's the real reason why I ended up getting this. Let's just go ahead and open it up. I really want to see what we got in here, if we do have any power. I hope I don't blow up, party people. And if so, it'll probably be a pretty good YouTube video, right? Okay, there's a manual. We always want to read the manual. Ooh. Okay. Nice. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up this cord first. We're going to see what's in here. Wow. We've got some power cords here. So this is obviously going to be our power cord to charge. Okay. This happens to be the connecting adapter for it. And so obviously this is going to power the battery that's inside this particular PowerHouse II 800. It's a pretty monstrous device. What? USB-C to USB-C. Here's our DC power adapter for the car. There it is right there. Very good. They like these blue boxes, blue color. All right, drum roll please. Boom. Very cool. There it is. Wow. Whoa, a light just turned on. Scary. Is there an on button? What? Flashlight, crazy. There you go. I'm just going through the woods with my power adapter. Whoa, it says that it's at 33% charged right now. Man, I wonder what we can get out of that. Let's turn that off, right? Whoa, that's cool. It's got like a flashing. What? Another light? Are you kidding me? This is intense. So clearly you have the ability to be able to light specific areas. And at 33%, this light is actually pretty intense. I wonder if both lights end up working if we turn them on. Yep, look at that. We got our kind of our dimmable, our mood light in the back, and then our flashlight up here up front. Okay, so we know that the lights work. Let's go ahead and turn them off. There you go. So we're good there, right? At 30 watts. What else should we power? Okay, so we're going to actually take one of these USB-A to USB-C cords that they provided us, and we're actually going to power my phone. Boom. Whoa, started charging my phone, and it says I'm using roughly around 9 watts. It says that I'm roughly using around 9 watts. I still have 33% of battery. And it's giving me up to almost 30 hours of a charge. Wait a minute, that's crazy. That right there, check that out. See? All that right there, 9 watts, almost 33 hours of a charge, and at 33%. Okay, so what does this mean? Well, again, this basically means that the power that you can get out of this particular product in a pinch can be long lasting, and it can really help you out in circumstances where that portable power, where that power situation is a must. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this is fully charged. I'm going to start playing with some aspects of it. I'm going to see what exactly it can charge up to, or in other words, what it'll power, and we'll give you some overall impressions. All right, so here we have it. This is all charged up. Man, this thing is a beast. It is pretty awesome, and I just wanted to show you this puppy is charged up. So again, talking about how if you're a contractor, or perhaps maybe you are someone that has garage door space that's confined or small, or just a number of factors where you need portable power, this might be a really good solution. Now, it's possible that it's also might be overkill. And the reason why I say that is because not everyone will have the same circumstances. But what exactly do you want to power? Well, as a contractor, you might need to power certain devices, especially as cell phone use is so heavy throughout like a contractor's day. I mean, I'm always on my phone, emails, phone calls, messages. It just never ends. So sometimes when I'm at a job and literally I found myself where I don't have an electrical outlet. In fact, the only outlet that's available is high above where the garage door opener power is located. I don't want to be sticking up my power charger for my cell phone up on the top. So this is a really good solution. You know how I was telling you that it has 2 AC outlets that output a maximum of 500 watts. Well, we're going to test that right now. Oh, we got to turn that puppy on first. What? There we are. Check that out, party people. Now this is pretty cool. Talk about a lighting solution that, again, if you're in your garage and you need light, well, you would be able to power this. And right now it's taking about 9 watts. This is about 7 watts. And it's estimating a total of 81 hours. That's pretty awesome. Party people, by the way, Anker did not sponsor this video. I purchased this PowerHouse II 800 on my own, and I knew that I was going to need it for specific circumstances to power certain devices while I'm out and about, particularly in a lot of my jobs. It's going to be even useful here. Okay, now for the real tests. I have a spare motor here that I use from time to time, specifically just to kind of use as a demo, and more importantly for this specific video to see if this Anker PowerHouse II 800 can power a garage door opener motor. So here we are. We're going to do this test together. We're going to see if this works. We're going to see if this little device here can power this garage door opener motor. There's the plug right there. Okay, y'all witness this me blowing up? No way! Check it out, party people. This device right now is powering this garage door opener motor. Let's do a test. What do you say? What? Amazing. This is awesome. Check it out. This device right here has enough power to draw out, or that is to power, this garage door opener motor. Now this happens to be an AC motor. I'd like to see how much power it's drawing. About 37 watts, and it's telling me it's going to give me about 11.5 hours roughly powering this device. Now by no means am I going to tell you, hey, this is worth doing. This is a viable option to power this garage door opener motor. No, it is not. Wow, that was pretty awesome. Now what it just told me right there, it was drawing about 300, what was that? What was it doing? Let's try that one more time. That's pretty awesome. Now before, while it was registering the power output, it was saying that it was about 300, close to 340 watts of power that was being drawn. So that's pretty impressive again, party people. To have this small device, this device that can be powered, obviously you can power it when you're at home, to be able to power a garage door opener motor. Now I'm not saying that this is going to be a foolproof solution. It's not. But the ability to do so is pretty impressive. I think this Anker PowerHouse II 800 is a fantastic device for contractors, maybe some do-it-yourselfers. I know it's not going to be for everyone, but in this time, in this day and age where we are constantly on edge due to a natural disaster, this little puppy right here, it might do the trick. So if the PowerHouse II 800 by Anker sounds like a party to you, well, please check out the affiliate links down below. Now this necessarily isn't my review, it's simply an unboxing to provide you the potential, perhaps advantage of a portable power source like this. And of course the pro tips, techniques, and ideas in these videos should not be considered law or infallible. Why? Because I am nobody. This channel is dedicated to provide you pro tips and tech reviews for all your residential garage door needs, and I know there's a ton of guys that do these types of videos, but this is coming from a licensed contractor to provide you the best options to make a better buying decision. That's going to be it for this one, party people. I want to thank you so much for partying with me. Now please check out this other video right here that can provide you more pro tips and tech reviews for all your residential garage door needs. I want to thank you for partying with me and watching this video, and as always, y'all stay safe.